Okay, you are studying about the compounds of transition metals. Oxides of transition metals you studied. Now we will study about potassium dichromate. Formula K2Cr2O7. Preparation of potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate is prepared from chromite ore. Formula of chromite ore is FeOCr2O3. The preparation method involves three steps. Step 1. Conversion of chromite ore into sodium chromate. The chromite ore is fused with sodium carbonate in the presence of air. That is, equation you see, 4FeOCr2O3 plus 8Na2CO3 plus 7O2 gives rise to 8Na2CrO4 plus 2Fe2O3 plus 8CO2. Here, when chromite ore is treated with sodium carbonate in the presence of air, sodium chromate and ferric oxide is obtained. Carbon dioxide gas will be liberated. Now, this fused mass containing sodium chromate and ferric oxide is treated with water. In this, sodium chromate dissolves in water, whereas ferric oxide remains insoluble. So it is removed by filtration. Next step, second step is conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. The sodium chromate solution is now treated with a calculated amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. Now sodium chromate is converted into sodium dichromate. So equation, so sodium chromate Na2CrO4 on treating with H2SO4 gives Na2Cr2O7 plus Na2SO4 plus H2O. So a solution containing sodium dichromate and sodium sulfate is obtained. This solution is concentrated and cooled. Sodium sulfate crystallizes. So sodium sulfate crystals are removed. Sodium dichromate remains in the solution. So next step is conversion of sodium dichromate to potassium dichromate. Conversion of sodium dichromate to potassium dichromate. The sodium dichromate solution is now treated with a calculated amount of potassium chloride. That is, equation is Na2Cr2O7 plus 2KCl gives rise to K2Cr2O7 plus 2NaCl. Now sodium dichromate is converted into potassium dichromate. A solution containing potassium dichromate and NaCl is obtained. This solution is concentrated and cooled. On cooling, orange-red crystals of potassium dichromate are obtained. So this is how potassium dichromate is prepared. Potassium dichromate preparation is very, very important for exam. This will be asked for 3 marks. So each step carries 1 mark. Here balanced equations you have to write. Balanced equations are very, very important. If you do any mistake in one step, the 1 mark for that step you will lose that 1 mark. So you have to learn, you have to practice writing the equations, balanced equations. So this method is very, very important. This is like a definite question. You must learn it well.